In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a customer for an overpayment in QuickBooks Online. When managing your finances, it's not uncommon for a customer to accidentally overpay you. QuickBooks Online makes handling these situations straightforward. So let's walk through the steps to ensure you can process refunds smoothly and maintain accurate records. First, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you will see a button labeled New. This button is your starting point for creating various transactions in QuickBooks Online. It's an intuitive system designed to keep everything you need within easy reach. So, give it a click to initiate the refund process. Once you've clicked New, you'll need to select Check from the list of options that appear. Creating a check is an effective way to refund a customer because it leaves a clear paper trail both for you and your customer. After selecting Check, you'll be presented with a window where you can input the necessary information for the refund. In this window, the next step is to select the customer who made the overpayment. QuickBooks Online keeps all customer-related information organized and accessible, ensuring you can retrieve details with ease. With the customer selected, you'll move on to the Category Details section. Here, you'll need to specify the account that corresponds to the customer's transaction. For this purpose, select the Accounts Receivable account. This ensures that the financial transaction is attributed correctly, maintaining the integrity of your financial records. Next, enter the amount that the customer overpaid. Accurate data entry here is crucial because it ensures that the refund is processed for the correct amount, preventing any future discrepancies in your accounts. Take a moment to double-check this figure for accuracy, as this step is vital for an accurate refund. Once you've entered the overpaid amount, it's time to finalize the transaction by clicking Save. This action records the transaction into QuickBooks and completes the refund process, generating a check for your customer. This check will not only facilitate the refund, but also automatically record the transaction in your system, keeping your financial records up to date and accurate. It's a straightforward method that minimizes the risk of errors in your accounting processes. And that's it! You've successfully processed a refund for an overpayment in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you ensure your customer receives their refund, and your financial records reflect this transaction accurately. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure you stay tuned for more helpful QuickBooks tips in upcoming videos.